Hi, this is Tutor Nick P, and this is noun phrase 359. The noun phrase today is an earful. Okay, somebody wants a screenshot, do it right now. Let's get right to it. If someone gives a person an earful, he or she gets a scolding, reprimand, or lecture to someone. We can also say that someone gets an earful to receive the scolding, reprimand, etc. So it can go that way as well. An additional meaning of an earful is to divulge secrets to another person or hear a lot of gossip. Okay, let's continue. The term dates back to the early 1900s, meaning nearly the same as a piece of one's mind. Thus, one is giving complaints and alludes to the idea of filling up one's ear. Okay. There's also an Australian phrase, an air bash like you hit somebody hard. So an air bash meaning nearly the same. Again, filling them up with complaints. All right, and we got 5 examples to show just how it's used. Here's the first one. The boss gave James an earful for losing this account. A lot of complaints. Number 2, James's mother gave her an earful for getting into trouble at school. Okay, and number 3, that complaint department got an earful from customers who bought that product. So again, they got it, they received an earful. All right, number 4, this would probably be about the gossip one. Jesse gave me an earful about all the relationship problems she is having with her boyfriend, or at least revealing secrets anyway. And number 5, I work on films with a lot of celebrities. If you want, I can give you an earful of juicy gossip that occurs off camera with many stars. Okay. Anyway, I hope you got it. I hope it was clear. I hope it was very informative. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.